TS Tech. Designing, engineering, manufacturing. TS Tech has been utilizing cutting-edge technology to supply seats for cars, motorcycles, and recreational vehicles for over 50 years. The TS Tech family is a worldwide leader in the use of robotics and automated manufacturing processes. TS Tech holds the top market share for motorcycle seats and is the main supplier for Honda's automobiles, creating safe, eco-friendly, and attractive products. Starting in Japan, TS Tech has established itself as a leader in the four corners of the world, with a global network of 35 corporations in 12 countries. TS Tech's international expansion began in 1977 with Tricon Industries in Lincoln, Nebraska.
We're kind of a smaller group of people, so we all got to multitask. I still go out on the floor. I still get my hands dirty on pieces of equipment if need be. If you talk to the guys in the shop, that's the thing that they really like, is having that diversity in the job.
Well, the things that I do every day, every week, they change regularly, which is one of the things I like about this job. Sometimes we're, putting together a new manufacturing process, and sometimes we're running special projects. So there's a lot of different things going on.
It's a coordinate measurement machine. It's measuring the parts. It does the coordinate measurement, and it gives you the data. It's one of the important things we do here for data collection. It's a unique tool we use.
One of the biggest things I've been working on with my project that's hitting mass production in the next couple of weeks is vinyl development. Creating the patterns to fit the seat and learning how to do that, how to work with production, how to meet all the customers' requirements, from a concept drawing to a finished sewn and assembled seat.
This job is unique, and I think in a lot of ways, in that you're working with the customers and helping meet their needs and their requirements, working with the suppliers to make sure that the product we're getting from them will ultimately lead toward what the customer is requiring, and then also working with the in-house processes to be able to develop that as well. But you really get that personal interaction with a lot of our suppliers and our customers.
On the design side, it's having a good idea and taking that design from concept to finish. Our product changes every 3 to 5 years. 3 to 5 years down the road, you're looking at new designs. You're looking at new technologies to make that product even better, or make it faster, or more robust. So it depends on what the technology is out there at that point in time, and try to take those technologies and implement them into the equipment and the processes that we're developing at that point in time.
What really attracts me is the ability to be able to work on lots of different things. Not just stamping dies or working on machine tools or working on automated equipment. You get to get your hands into various things. There's a lot of people around here that are willing to teach you if you're willing to learn and put in the effort forward. Well, we have a pretty tight-knit group of people back here in the shop. Everybody gets along really well. I myself try to make as much effort as I can to really get to know the people that I'm working with, and that's kind of how everybody is back here.
It's a good working relationship in the department. We learn a lot from each other. There's a great sharing of wealth in this department.
I like a good challenge. It keeps my mind going. So that's why I went into this field. You just learn a lot on the job. The more time that you put into it, the more that you will learn, the easier it is to diagnose what's actually wrong with the tool.
Daily interactions are pretty good with everybody. Everybody kind of works together as a team, tries to get things done as we need be. We interact with all the departments: production, engineering, tool and die. Work together on projects as needed, and everything goes pretty smoothly for the most part.
I don't think there is an average day for us. Everything is based on the operation of the machines. If a machine breaks down, then we take care of that issue. If all the machines are running right, then we'll work on projects, fabricating things that need to be built for the machines to make them run more efficient.
It's kind of fast-paced, but once you get the hang of stuff, it kind of slows down. You get into a rhythm and you can get going pretty good. Everyone you work with is pretty nice. They're all there to teach you and help you.
What I enjoy about what I do now is it's a lot more hands-on as far as like on the maintenance side of the perspective. It is my duty to come in and fix the robots, but also to make sure that the robots will continue to keep a consistent quality throughout the week.
Technology could mean making a better product. It could mean making it faster, reducing labor, always trying to make a better product, make it faster, and make it cheaper than the competitor, because that's how you're going to get the business.
The strengths that we're looking for in a candidate for the engineering, tool and die, and maintenance positions at Tricon would be dedication, hard work, people that can think out of the box, people that are driven as far as goals, seeing the end, wanting to get it done in a timely manner, and just having great ideas. Bring it to the table, discuss it, and if it's a worthwhile idea, implementing it. The nice thing that we do here too is, if you got an idea and you really want to get it out on the floor as far as a process improvement or whatever, there might be a little bit of struggle to get that started, but taking the ownership and actually pushing it all the way through until the end is really highly encouraged.
Coming from a school background, you are not exposed to a lot of industrial situations, so always you get chance to do CMM training, you get chance to do SPC training, you get chance to learn geometric software training, which are really helpful tools. As a quality engineer, you need to know those tools.
We're looking for people that are mechanically inclined, people that can think logically, that are good at troubleshooting. Any type of person that can take a motor apart, work on cars, farm equipment, anything like that you're good with your hands, good with troubleshooting, those types of things are excellent skills to have.
Most of it is on-the-job training, from whether it be leads or just fellow associates that will show you pointers or whatnot.
I've learned a lot here coming in. I came fresh out of college, so it's definitely been a great learning experience, and I've gained a lot of knowledge in my time here.
Well, with our new training program, we're going to be able to bring people in and start them from the ground up. If they just have a little bit of mechanical ability, that's great. That's an excellent starting point. But from that point, we'll be able to build on their skills and actually teach them and validate their skills through our new training program, show them and teach them how to use CAD/CAM programs, how to use CNC equipment and manual machines.